Hi, I'm Daisy Hawkins. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Stay tuned to hear why you don't want to miss any of my videos. I will give you 3 top reasons why my fun, short, educational videos will help you understand the Bible more. Thank you so much for taking time to stop by my channel to check it out today. Those who take time to watch and listen will find fun, short, educational videos on stories from the Bible. I enjoy helping you find spiritual encouragement, inspiration, and hope while learning how to apply Bible time scriptures and stories to our lives today. These are the top 3 reasons why you want to watch my videos. Number 1, do you ever feel like you read the Bible and your eyes glaze over, causing you to reread it several times to try to understand what you just read? 2, maybe you have read the Bible your entire life but never learned the mysteries behind the message of what God was actually saying to you. And 3, have you ever wondered why Jesus spoke in parables in the Gospels Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John? When the disciples asked Jesus why he didn't just speak clearly and reveal the meaning, he said he intentionally spoke in parables so that the believers would dig deeper to find the meaning, while unbelievers who weren't ready to hear the truth would basically shake their heads, shrug their shoulders, and walk off. By speaking in parables, Jesus was trying to determine who the believers were that were hungry for more. Well, for the last 4 or 5 years, I have been hungry for more. So God has started teaching me how to find the hidden meanings in His Word through lots of reading and research. It is so fascinating. It's like solving mysteries and finding buried treasure. 3 things. These videos are intended to help you understand how much He loves you, how to find Him easily in everything you do each day, and to teach you how to get in a routine of always including Him. He never leaves us. He's waiting for us to talk to Him, to spend time with Him, and to ask Him which step to take next in every situation you encounter. Make sense? Now, my videos are typically no more than 10 minutes unless God has more to say to you on a particular subject. I just follow His lead. You can look forward to new videos at least twice a week. He has so much to tell us, we definitely have plenty of content to share. So, I will do the best I can to keep sharing the mysteries with you as often as possible, okay? So feel free to reach out to me anytime with questions, okay? Subscribe to my channel today so that you don't miss any nuggets, and feel free to share my videos with others. God bless you. Enjoy.